Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you the process on how you can remove phone number from TikTok. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap in open TikTok application, then get logged in into your account. Here at the homepage of your TikTok, you need to tap on profile icon on bottom right corner. You tap on it. Inside your profile, you can see 3 horizontal lines on top right side of the screen. You tap on it. Here, you need to tap on settings and privacy. Inside settings and privacy, there at the very first on account section, you can see the option of manage account. You tap on it. Here, inside account information, there you can see phone number. You tap on it. Now here, you can either change your phone number or you can either unlink your phone number. Changing your phone number means you have to remove the current phone number, then you go in for adding another number, and unlinking phone number means you are going to remove your phone number from your TikTok account. As we are going to remove our phone number, so you need to tap on unlink phone. Unlink phone number, here are given some informations on unlinking the phone number from TikTok. So you tap on continue to unlink. Here you will get the code to your phone number and you have to get the code, as I have already received the code. And with that, the phone number has been unlinked. That is, the phone number has been removed from your TikTok account. Hope this video is useful for you all on how you can remove phone number from TikTok. Thank you.